Mayam Okram jari adam neng biri basi impact Dr. Manipur ni ay Pinky Okram ngasi aina unazaga dawriba miyo asi yam interesting oiba miyo amani haijage mahak asi mind mapping trainer ni masiki topic asi ngasi ge khoigi impact Dr. Manipur yengbiriba viewers singi damakta yamna kana gadaba topic amani haibada haiman bathok loi haijage mingoina pamjarabada mahaki maming MD Nasir Khan Mahakasi Bisnupur district ke manung chanalaiba kwakta sabale kaidagini mahaka unaba ki tanja tawjage ahanba makta da ozaba khogi impact Dr. Manipur ki program asida taramna okchari ozagi ahanbada aina hangjaning basi aina mafam budi haire kadai dagino but still family ki matang da schooling kadai da tauri kari kari honna bi rei haibagi matang da ten tak na haibiyo
mayam ngasi ki thoramasi yangbi beda makta thagat seri loina Pinky I Kokta Sabal Kaidagini, Mohammed Nasir Khan. I gave schooling say I Morangi LCM High School, the high school Taujari, the Makatawa, Morang Multipurpose Higher Secondary School, 11, 12, Lower Matunda, Manipur University, Makada Mathematics, the honors Taujari. Makatarapada, I'm from a poor background, my parents are all illiterate. But still, I somehow managed to struggle in the field of education with all my well wishes. That's how I struggled step by step, and I have been in the teaching field for the last 10 years. And now, by the grace of Heavenly Father, I'm at least a mind map trainer at international level, and I'm guiding the children on learning how to learn. Learning how to memorize, learning how to be creative. So I area si the sum tauzeri.
Ado ozana hai international level da mind mapping trainer oina laibirak base. Sida han bu question da hangjaning base mind mapping hai base masikari no hai bdo. Matu sugaina mudi samlap na hai bi hai tar.
Mind mapping hai se it is international key to unlock the creative potential of the human brain haina isam na dum khangnei mind mapping si akoina with colors when we start learning things akoina di akoigi monochrome akoigi single color sijinaraga like sing the straight line the black lines the blue ink gomba sijinaraga akoina like pariba akoigi leriba textbook singse masi this makes our brain boring. The reason is akoigi brain de leriba more than 100 billion cells singsi connect tawa matamda it is not in straight lines, they connect in curved lines, and it radiates. Not only that, masi akoina brain gi neurons singsi neurons amana at the same time more than 10,000 neurons the connection pibanga so we need to unlock this creative potential of the brain duga koi gi brain gi study si mind mapping da in the brain pusinjara koi maram si mind mapping is based on functioning of the brain.
Okay,
the brain gi functioning gi accordingly akoina mind mapping si akoina che dani khangde natraga software su leko masida koina laptop natraga computer sinaraga yepusu yari ado masigi process it taw matamda koigi neurons ki functions in sia koina study tawi. Mr. Tony Buzan, the founder of mind mapping, has done 40 long years of research in the brain. Aduna masigi brain ki connection akoigi learning se pramane Pinky da ai hujik mango haigeba na mid ocean matamda aina mango hairako matamda mango si uroyeba mango gi yellowish colors or green leaves and all those things will come to the picture. So masina karida praman oire hagadi akoi si we learn with colors, we learn with pictures. This is how our brain wants, and mind mapping sina either satra bu oirasu ojabu oirasu maksigi learning teaching process sida ani makta assist to hai tare mind mapping sijinaba matamda akoina color sijinagani tongan ba picture sijinagani adagi keywords sijinagani masigi concepts sing sinaraga mind maps is set up tawgada
aduga mind map se yekpa matam da haitare set up tawba matam da software sizinaraga su yekpa yaina haiba adu karamba makal gi software di sizinabi
I mind map software sizinai the isa se do tongan ba mind map ki software lady ado khwaida gi common noiba aduga khutna koi yekliba mind map se masiga khwaida gi chanaba Tony Buzana certified tawbadi I mind map haiba software sini masigi software si akoina adum leiba yai isana download tawjaraga adum sizinaba yaw pone activation key adum pirakani aduga khwaidagi fabadi akoina khutna yekchagadaba using colors aduga masigi mind map si yekpa matamda akoina sizinnagadaba tongan magi technique sing leijari adugi technique sing du sizinaraga step by step akoina yega mind map yekraba information amase it always goes to the long term memory so when an information goes to the long term memory then there is no question of forgetting any information so this is purely the killer of rote learning system that is highly active in the state like Manipur
long term memory da changba taragadi maroina khoi ke mahairoi singi da makta parikha thaga doriba hoi chai khudingi parikha thai but akhoi Manipur da maroina khanari bise 10 12 aduga MPSC gi exam makhal lairi MBBS engineering gi lairi ba mayam se madu ki technique to khangba taragadi laithok turini ba mayam sina lyric se pa bada hotna bada 100% p enadi hotnari ne ba but somehow they fail madu mind mapping gi idea se lai taragadi I guess it will be easy for them maduna masigi matang da ino zada hangjaning base makhoi da su line na ba mind mapping se karam na yekani haibagi topic se yamna budi vast oiram ba yai but still ten tak na khoi da explain to bi ba ya taragadi khatang ten tak na explain
adai gi area du da pinky na panbi ki bada koi gi satra sing si tongan ba competitive exam sing thawa su leiri adagi tongan by school singi satra sing mahi tambo khotpa gi poina ma lakpi khibido adai ge area dogi hauraga mind mapping kramaini yekpa no dai da lag sake koi da leri ba sense organ siga koi gi memory haigadra or learning siga yam closely relate howa haise tare ada koi na mind map sida 100% information ama koi na long term memory da kramaina salhan ge have say eyes I say memory the eyes ki role se 40% out of 100 eyes next ears listening se 25% so 40 plus 25 now we have 65% of the sense we are learning next the skin has 15% role in memorizing or learning things and say nose smelling it plays 10% role and next tongue tasting taste so it plays 10% so this whole picture makes 100% so in mind map we use all these 5 senses so that the information makes an association with me so that the information makes or helps me imagination and so that the information makes the connection with my life experiences aduna mind map si ba setup tawna ba hona bada Mr. Tony Buzana most important graph in the world haiba magi most important graph ama yauri ngai sai pija ke do yaw ado masigi most important graph in the world sida learning stage sida khoina kramaina tawraga interest create tawgani adugi interest to the base tawraga satra mana kramaina information ama mangonda lotion khiba natraga oja amana presentation tawgado information se kramaina long term store to horaga so that I'll never forget anytime I want I can use masigi techniques in mind map message is number 1 next I'll come straight to the point how mind mapping so mind mapping si am samna ye kadobani masi A3 gi natraga A4 gi blank paper ama logani aduga blank paper si akoina landscape mode thamgani aduga mayai yamna chawdaba akoigi image ama natraga central idea ama central idea dagi hogani that means central idea sina puri se akoigi subject amagi topic tu buniko topic si mayai sida central idea akoigi A4 natraga A3 che sigi mayai sida thammaga magi size si yam chawloi akoina che dugi length and breadth adugi base tawraga akoina mayai sida hawrani masigi central idea sidagi akoina immediate akoigi main branch yekani main branch ama yekpasi color ama ne yekani adugi color dudagi makha tana samtharakaduriba branch mayam singse adugi same color de satkani aduga main branch na khara thick oigani aduga khara handharakpa next branch outer branch mathang lakadoi singsina khara khoi som hoidarakani masigi concept si akoina mind mapping si yekpa haudre mamangda hanbida masigi brain gi study si torapa most important graph in the world si study sum tawbo horokpa matamda nature da hana base tawi akoina upambi yami yengse a tree ado tree gi main stem haitare ne madune ba koi gi central idea se adu dagi mathang branch sandokri sing se u masa sing se chap ting me se yam yawda bani uidaraga maton ji som uidarakan aduga curve oigani straight oir adu maina masigi branch tree gi branch se this is one of the best example of mind mapping adu maina same color da yekani same color da yekpagi maram si branch ama si same color da mathang immediate tongan ba mathang radiate torokadoi branch sing se masi organic oigani yam wavy oiba because it is flexible it is creative so it has to be organic it should radiate aduna masigi same branch ama da lakadoi ba branch mayam sing si color managado reason si kaino hagadi akoina ahan ba main branch leriba keyword se masigi associative word sing neba akoina magi branch sing da lakadoi se aduna same topic ki branch ama loira matung da next branch ama mug lakani adu next branch ama lakpa matam sida akoi another color ama sizinaragani adugi another color si tongan ba keyword ama mu oirani adugi keyword sigi associative word sing se connection adu maina mathang adu based on the creative word or based on the keywords we have adi topic ama koina set up tawna bu hona bada madugi topic tu ma fully define to bangam na ba keyword kam tholak dage sidi aigi topic tu gi volume gi makha pole adugi volume du koina based oraga akoi bida lakado ba branching se koina decide tawjaga adugi matung ina koina space fajana manage to hogada bani sima leire aduga we'll use colors number 1 da number 2 da we'll use pictures pictures in ai nga sa example am pi jakre aina mango hayo matam da akoi mango si udiba mango gi akoi ki picture ama color picture ama akoi ki mental picture da tholai se mas this is how our brain learns this is how we learn so we should understand this logic of the brain so accordingly akoi na mind maps yakadine aduga han bada akoi blank paper laikre keyword laikre branch laikre adugi mathang da akoi na lakadoi si masigi tongan ba leijari ba magi function se akoi na understand tawraga sijinagadoi ba word to the base tawraga akoi na line sing adu line si aine line gi mathak ta igadori ba wahido maduga sangba manana igani aduga word ki lenga akoi ki branch ki lenga managadori be reason si karigino da mathang da madugi mathang da so atopa word ama muk associated word ama lakane in mind mapping we use lots of association we use lots of imagination association and imagination ani sida based because even Albert Einstein said imagination is more important than knowledge adagi akoina most creative people mind map si hana su sijin nakiba mioi mayam ama lekhre adi say for example Leonardo da Vinci Leonardo da Vinci si normally akoina khangi sidi just masi lai pagi khot pagi area kharata neba during his time he was the best physician, he was the best mathematician, he was the best educationist, he was the best philanthropist. Adumaina he has lots of qualities. Adai matam da so mind map ki concept se color sijinaraga picture sijinaraga makoina tawba horamabne even Albert Einstein.
No ozana haibiriba logic se sigi structure hai tare ko interesting budi yamna oiba madada sigi matang sida aina hangjani basi akoina topic ama understand tar matung da aina yeglak turine ba mind mapping yeglak pa matam sida obviously we are going to use colors and then the images so it's going to take time aduna matak je khangjaning se akhoi syllabus sina yambanina is it possible for a student for every topic to draw that kind of mind mapping haibaduni ba
exactly very important point
masigi important oiba question je aina break ki matung da amuk halaga laksege ekoi gi break ki matang yojare matang choice da aten break am khatang lausage break ki matung da yamna interesting oiba khangning ba question hangada ba myam wali talk to Manipur wo mi eng ta duna lebiyo mayam ba muka hana taram nok chari adom ningbiri base impact talk to Manipur ni ai Pinky Okram ngasi ekhin unazari ba si mind mapping trainer ni mahak maming MD Nasir Khan amuka hana ojabu taram nok chari break ki mamangda yam nungai ba topic amagi matang da wari sa ki badugi continuation oina ojada ina hangjaki structure sidi colors use tawrakani aduga atopa topa mayama use tawri branch mayama yeklakani so matam je lawduri ni aina yekadori ba pot se matam di lawdui ni understand taro matung da yeklakadori banina irakadori banina adubu akoi gi syllabus se aduki yame haijari ba angang macha amana moi gi school da chatpa matam da back to dum uraga khangabani ba kayam ki matik angang sing sida burden oiramgani like mayam duna every topic ki damakta possible oibra mind mapping se yekpa matam da si possible oigadra
yamna interesting oiba topic ni adai do adoga yam toina so hangba because normally people think lai yekpa si matam yam lawi adoga matam yam sangi ka haibagi yam misconception ama laiba haitare adoga akoi bu trainer na train to birapa matam da mind mapping sida akoi na picture sijinab se ai shamak I'm very bad artist I have to say so picture se yek na bahona rakpoda ingon the challenges me am lakpa so akoi trainer na especially akoi gi sir Professor Tony Buzan masamang na so hai nangna nangi level da best nangi presentation do nang adu ye ga thamo picture draw the pictures aina yekadoi ba lai si kayam phajai na traga phajide that doesn't count but your picture is necessary ado pinkina hangbi ki every topic ta akoi na mind mapping se yek na dana ade color sijin na dana matam changbani na ka haiba gi topic se sai gi sini akoi na han da akoi ne yengadap si akoi gi school da tammi ba angang sing se maruina Manipur da haijata re akoi na yam kum ne yengadap si akoi angang sing si whether they are learning whether they really are learning because normally akoi gi road learning system sida Manipur da base to jabatare angang sing si ayuk anta da gi school chana batawrani school da pung manga taruk leirurani halani makoi sana ba phangaroi coaching amuk tharani ngang athem da mu halani athem da halakpa da gi homework amuk tawrani aduga nangboi nangda angang si brain si pura stress tawraga angang si tumgi daine akoi na mind mapping yekpa matam da akoi gi brain stress ma pura kill tawrani because information overload later roi mind mapping yekpada aina school da question answer ma silakpa natraga ojana pirakpa note taking se masi so mind mapping da note taking se satkrani madu akoi na classroom da colors pictures yekpagi matam leitraga so aigi normal pen na adum akoi gi jotting down adum lobi rakpa yarani aduga yum yoraga aigi mind mapping notebook ta topic se ma yek thokpi gani topic se ma yekpa kanda hardly you may spend 5 to 10 minutes but machine save to rokadoi di mind mapping yekpa da ina minute manga natraga tara sangthoki bido madugi mind mapping du da yengaga ina amuk khaktang information ama pawa matam da the information will goes to long term memory. Whereas in the previous case or in the existing case, I have to say, makoi nujik tammi ba mawong sida kamay tammi hai da question answer sing si makoi repeatedly makoi pagada ni nakong da tahan gadai ni chin na lon gadai ni nakong na tahan gadai hanjil mark manga gi question ama pabada yamna intelligent oiba satra nataba singdi makoi yamdrabada pung amasang ba satra su yawi aduda simba pu da su yawi ado mind mapping yega once amuk khaktang pawa matamda almost 75 to 80% learn to gadini adoga magi revision ge techniques lejari ko the learning how to learn da koi yaujari adogi revision techniques sijinaraga mahagna mind map si amuk tang ga yenghi matam da it always goes to permanent long term memory. So it is mind map ye pada minute manga natraga taragi matam mangbodo adu natana this is not a waste of time.
Okay, so akoina hek yek pa color use to ba ga pan basida wakhanda di khandune because akoi hana thengnadri ba oibana wakhal da di khalli ni ba lai su yek to ni color su season aduni matam changani na haibase adubu masigi structure sina sata singi da makta asukki mati kana gani haibase khangne hauji ozana haibi badagi su khange atuga hana akoina taraga su paraga su akoina utilize to da ba hai tare ko adu asukki matik phaba sata jingi da makta phaga da technique ase akoi gi manipur gi context da haiba tare ko oza gi sinfam da thabak tawba mayam lei aduga oza loba matam da any government school gi college ki or private ki loba matam da condition mayam pi MA in adu ko B.Ed tawgada bani C thagada bani adu hen but mind mapping gi khoi concept se primary school gi level da gi na higher studies bu hai tare yaude panna de hai batare panna da maram na chahi taragi mathakta lairik tamba or kun thra lairik tamba sida laina tawba ya base koi taw khidreba but hauji ki oina hai tare ko manipur da diet ki training piriba kholiba mayam tawri base masida mind mapping gumba hap tri base masi kari kine na khanbi
masi lack of awareness koi gi tongan ba countries sing da se inak nak pada I pramanam pizegi koi gi India ga Kenaba education system sida Singapore hai seba Singapore ai ba pikrava country sida sahi amada international students se not less than 88,000 international students are storming in there for higher studies whereas in India very less to comparing with Singapore aduga koi gi education system sida kayamuk tab thana kayamuk theng na education si akoi tamge da India da information technology ITC IT ga mari lena na se computing kind computer gi subject ka si class 9 10 da ka introduce to matam se masida di akoi gi information technology is already cross information technology is 1990 the lotion ki adui matung da knowledge is amuk lakhi adui matung da amukasu intelligence is and who's intelligence this is known as the age of intelligence ado akoi da di Manipur da IT tamba horok matam da IT is lan khraga thungai ado maina akoi da disadvantage me am lai hai tare akoi gi education sector da lai riba sing sigi processing si kitang India gi oina pun boina ko kitang low oi ba hai tare aduga say for example G8 universities ka na Australia si USA ge next ta UK ge next ta international education hub si Australia ne Australia ge G8 university India ge prithvi ki top 100 university da chanba 8 university ki collection ni moi gi chain of institute ni makoi da India da le riba state punama ki state board ta gi pass torok pa satra ama fo makoi da higher education ge admission lo deba the reason we fail to test the intelligence of the child khoi ge education system da khoi tori si angang magi memory khatang test to question answer sing do mana yum da paraga school da laga natraga examination hall da laga madu mana handana ithokpa ngambado madu bu afaba satro in loba we fail to test the intelligence of the child that's why even countries like से ऑस्ट्रेलिया दा कोई के आंगांग सिंसी country so ere continent so ere Australia se adu mokhoi da akoi gi state board tai pass to wangang admission phangde
ado ozana haibire lacking wer se kadai den awat pa lai se kadai den se ozana khangbira banina as a isagi oina interest da hai tare Manipur gi damakta mayama tauge khali banina hauze ki oina khoi gi paliba sarkar sida education department mari lainaba singsida sigi step amadi tawba yai haibagumba ko approach kari tawbi ki ba laigrabra
ai se chaliba sahi tha sigi hai tare ne tang taramathoi da state government da gi presentation am pijakre education reforms as well as education policy of Manipur state se sagi oiba education policy isane adopt tawjaba leijade adu madugi policy ama semnaba aduga sotharaba education sector sida kramaina reform tawsino haibagi proposal ai 1 year long research masigi research gi damakta tongan ba India gi state sing da satana tongan ba government gi education sector sing onadna corporate sector education gi leiriba corporate style da chalaiba school mayam leiri secondary school leiri makoi mayam sing si unaraga madagi fangakpa input si ai government da ai proposal pijakre masi ai submit tawjaba matam education as ki commissioner education as ki director ACRT ki director board of secondary education Manipur gi chairman and secretary loina na koi gi honorable chief minister and forest minister in presence of them I have submitted a proposal ado government na they'll study more on it and they informed me that verbally informed to birakpani they will call me back within short time for a final presentation so that how far we can carry on with that adu faugi changda igi suggestion pijakre aduga so thoroughly bagi reason khara so aina dum mention tawi adu gamena kari oina lobi bana dum ade igi suggestion igi humble input igi pifam thokpade dum pijakra
government ki side gi so positive oi response bibiraga ozana tawge na khaliba mayam se machi soidana mai pakpo oibiu na haijege aduga khoi gi talk to Manipur gi program se pungkhai ama khatangi program oibani na khoina hangning ba kaya lai taraga su akhoi gi program sibu yengi ba viewers sida su yamna unfulfill oiba hai tare ko khangning ba mayam khangau da balai rangani but still karigumba any student amana kana gumba mana ozaga personally unaraga wari sanage ai sima problem lai resi kamai tawgani ozada hangi haiba taragadi karam ba mating sizinaraga ozada contact to biba yagani
Manipur gi satra sing amadi oza sing da ina haizening badi mind mapping asi akoina internet ki kuthang dagi su adum tips khara phangba ngamgani tawtadi masi physically training lawdragadi hek mas thabak oina tawba kan da yamna luba ai samak so series of training tawro matung da certificate phangjabani adu it is not an easy topic aduga mind mapping say more on learning how to learn ado information ama topic ama 100 word learn to get just 10% of the word and that means 100 sang ba answer ama learn ba hat na ba damakta just keyword tara khaktang sijinaraga ma chim pha pu ngam gadaini aduga 1000 sang ba SAM learn to ge haitara di 10% of 1000 that means just 100 words adu so keyword oigadaini aduga hariba keyword sing se kramaina memorize tawgani aduga long term memory da kramain thamgani haiba tongan ba akoi gi learning skills ki technique leijeri masi akoina brain training da sijinai adu masi gi brain training si sijinaraga akoina left right ki brain activation si fajana tawbiraga akoi shasi amna informative oina leiba darkar ni masigi technique mayam sing sigi matang da doga masigi training gi matang so khoi gi team ama leijeri madugi khoi gi manung da sudum khanajeri ado mind mapping siga mari leina ba Manipur da akoi mind map si tamma mioi mari lei aduga trainer Tony Bujan certified trainer oibana ithanta oijabai wani mind map ki knowledge leirabdi akoi mi mari lei ado khoi mayam khannaraga masigi Manipur gi education system da tongan ba university da college da secondary school da high school da koina piba ya mateng adum pining ba wakhan lei because akoi gi satra sing si information overload to ba dagi note taking si yam boring single color si narga note taking lawri ba adudagi examination blues मैम लेरिबा अदे competitive examination की दमक तोंगान तोंगान बा coaching institute सिंग सिदा चलगा पैसा मैम अमा खरच तौरगा at the end सही मंगा नत्रगा सही मरी नत्रगा सही अमतबो सो मतम मांगगा अदुई मतुंगदसु पैसा मैम खरच तौरगा सो exam फाव ngam छात्र सो मैम लेरिबा मसिगी easy way of learning हानगी rote learning information dumping of information in the head adu nataba yamna creative oiba mongda yam innovative oiba mongda ado yam live mongda using colors your brain will not be stressed for studying 5 hours like pa matam you will not be stressed and you will not be sleeping also akoi chumna ge normal textbook pa matam da di satra sing je kamai to ge minute manga natraga tara natra pungkhai pharak pa da ge akoi si tumning ba uining ba yam kana thok adu mind map technique sin raga pa there are lots of colors there are lots of stimulating pictures there are lots of keywords adu oibnina makhoi da tumning ba phau da badna mind map I really recommend this for every educators for every corporate sectors like Impact TV for every students and for every competitive exam experience adu namasigi contact tawbira pa yagani aigi mobile number da adu dagi aigi Twitter da aigi account lejeri adu ga aigi kainoda Facebook ta Nasir Khan live ana aigi Facebook ta aigi page lejeri masigi mayam sing sigi khuthang da duga even Impact TV ki akoi ki ras nang thongjo haija batare sir ma ka soi dum ori sana jai even will be working out on some areas like mind sports kumba adagi quiz si hanagi yamna normal oiba yam common oiba quizzing system natabada yam innovative oiba something different oiba mong da koi plan tau si Impact TV coordinate tawraga kaina koi innovative ideas kra share tawna ba lei jai adai gi area to so koi dum work tawrak na ba hona jagi habagi wakhalon lei aduna Impact TV can be one of the communicating point
Thank you so much tungda ozana amadi akhoi aigidi guru haiba tare sir Raj ka thana biriba mayam do oithoraktuna real da thabak to pangthok piraga khoisu in future thabak tawminaba ki tanja do phangak pa targa di akhoi gi su laibok phabani haijage aduga ozagi achin ba matam dagi kai thok piraga akhoi studio da lak piba irang su hojik am tawri irang marsi da lak piba masigi damakta hanna hanna thaga chari tungi punsi da su mai pak po oibiu masi haraga ngasigi Impact Talk to Manipur gi program si matang swais da loisinjare mathang gi chayol da nungairaba topic amaga loinana nungairaba personality amaga loinana lakjage ngasigi di kainana ba ya thangni jari pinabirasi